First things first, you're gonna prep your pie pan. Stick this in the refrigerator to chill while you make the pie filling. Half a cup brown sugar, half a cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, a dash of salt, a pinch of cloves, a pinch of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of my secret ingredient, Vietnamese cinnamon by King Arthur. Mix everything around. Toss that in real good. Half a cup all-purpose flour. Don't ask no questions, just listen to me. Bourbon. Just a splash. Your filling should look like this. Now we're gonna transfer a little bit of the filling to the pie crust. Look like this. And we're gonna cover it with the other pie crust. Bake on 400 degrees for about up to an hour. Your pie should look like this.